Hey guys, Michael Keogh, Team Keogh at RE/MAX, and welcome back to the Barrie Real Estate Update. Now, if you're a stats person, we did a video just last week or the start of this week, and it was about the stats compared to January 2019 compared to January 2020. Now, it was a 7-minute long video, so you might want to grab a coffee or 6 and watch it if that's something that is of interest. There's some pretty cool information in there. So let's dive right into this. So this past week, we had 47 new listings. The previous week, we had 27. The interesting thing is, of those 47 listings this week, 20 of them were properties that had been on the market before. The interesting thing with that, of those 20 listings, 2 of them were listed in July and August of last year, 3 of them were listed in August and September, and those 3 are now on the market in February at more money. Didn't sell then, maybe they feel they're going to get more money now. Not 100% sure. The other thing is, one of those was a power of sale listing. So that's something that's starting to happen a little bit more in our market. It's not like it was in 2010, but power of sales are starting to creep in a little bit more. And if you have any questions about those, please feel free to reach out. Conditionally sold, we had 5 this week, 5 last week, so really not a lot of difference in that. The interesting thing is we had 34 firm deals this past week, and we had 18 the week before. Well, of those 34 sales, what's interesting is 5 of those offers were listed this week and sold this week as well, meaning there was 5 firm offers presented. Generally, that would mean you were in competition. So of those 5 offers, 2 of them were at list price, 3 of them were over list price. So 5 of the 34 were in competition, listed and sold this week. So kind of interesting, shows you a little bit more about the activity. Condos. There was 19 new condo listings this week, 9 the week before. Of those 19 new listings that came on, 4 of them were previously expired. 1 of those has come on at more money now this time. The interesting thing is that 3 of those listings had sold in June, August, and November of last year, and now they're being brought back on the market in 2020. So kind of interesting. You wonder why people are doing that. Condos really aren't in the position where you can take and flip them. So it'd be interesting to find out more about those and see where they sell and see what happens, and we'll let you know about that. 1 new conditional sale this week and 1 new conditional sale last week, and 12 firm sales in condos this week, 6 last week. So what's that all mean? Well, again, it's kind of interesting. Out of last week, we had 27 new residential listings. This week, it's 47, when in actual fact, it's only 27 because 20 of those are relists. So we have the same number of listings coming on as we did last week, same number of sales. Conditional sales, sorry, and firm sales are up a little bit higher. And the thing that's probably a little bit telling is that 5 of those are the ones that sold within the same week, firm offers with no conditions in them. So it just goes back to, it's not a lot of change from last week other than the firm sales. So if it's clean and neat and priced well, it's going to sell, and you're going to probably receive a firm offer. And if it's not, then you're going to sit on the market, and you're going to probably be one of those listings that next week when we talk about it, you'll be that one of those 20 of the 47 listings that come on that have been extended or relisted. So anyway, guys, we've got a lot of really cool stuff coming down the chute. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, call, text, or email. Enjoy your day.